Okay, DIYs, we're shooting up the back wall of the shower. I always spread each tile as I go, then it's fresh. Whooshka. Just like that. It's winter now on the Gold Coast of Australia, but I still spread my tile. I'll clip it together in a sec. Da, 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 da. Boy, this plastic though. Holy. Still the same old, same old. The glue always goes the same way as water runs, and that's vertical. I'll do one more. Oh, where are we? Wrong bucket, you fool. Crusoe. I hope everyone's had a great weekend. I have. I'm still doing a bit of work though. YouTube takes a bit of work as well as my work here. I sort of have two jobs. But you get that. I didn't think I'd have two jobs at 67 though, but you get that. A few business mistakes, and hey, that's what happens. Okay, I'll clip it up. I do need a rubber hammer though. got my first tile level, so that would all be nice and can't even see that bubble. This is when you need an apprentice to keep your gear clean. That's pretty good. But I'm not going to have an apprentice or a labourer to clean my level and then stand around and watch me the rest of the time, the rest of the day. No. Or get in my road. I don't think I'd have the patience to have a labourer or an apprentice these days. Beautiful. These clips are the best. Whoa, beautiful. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. See ya. Bye.